Welcome to online classes. I am here in the fourth recording. First and second stanza already explained. Again I will read the two stanza as a continuation. Dark brown is the river, golden is the sand. It flows along forever with trees on either hand. Grey leaves are floating, castles of the foam, boats of mining boating, where will all come home. I'll start the third stanza. On goes the river, and out past the mill, away down the valley, away down the hill. The river flows down and passes the mill, which is existing by the riverside. The river continues to flow and passing the hill, valley. The river does not stop in any place when it is created from the source. It flows along endlessly and stops when it meets the sea. Explanation 2. When the river flows, it does not wait for none. It passes the mill side and passes the hill and the valley. When it is generated from the source, it flows forever and passes through, and it stops when the river meets the sea. Explanation 3. When the river flows, it crosses the mill, the valley and the hill. The river flows continuously without any stopping. When the river is created, it flows forever and passes through the different places and it meets the sea. Now the last stanza. Away down the river, 100 miles or more, other little children shall bring my boats ashore. Explanation 1. The little child is preparing the paper boats and he floats the boat on the river water. It flows through the waves of the river. The paper boat is passing through the mill, hill and valley. The boats may cross 100 miles or may more. May there are some other children are looking the paper boats and they may collect boats and keep with them. Explanation 2. As per the poet, the little child is sitting beside the river and watching the river carefully, and in the meantime he makes ready many paper boats and he is floating the paper boats one by one on the river. The boats are passing through the different place. Boats are passing through the mill, hill and valley and crosses 100 miles and may more. The boy is thinking that there may some little children are looking the boats and the children may collect the boats from there. Explanation 3. When the river flows from its source, the poet, the boy, is sitting beside the river and he is producing the boats from the papers and floats the same on the river, and he finds the green leaves also floats on the waves of the river, and he observes the boat moves away. The boats are passing the hill, mill and valley along with the river flowing. The poet is thinking that the boats crosses 100 miles or more and the boats may collect the other children who are waiting there. This is the end of the lesson. Before closing this last lecture, please go through the book, and there is some rhyming words. Here I will hold the book, and you can take the snapshot of this page and find out the rhyming words. Please take a snapshot of this page and find out the rhyming words of each stanza. It is the homework for you. It is the end of the explanation of this poem, Where Go the Boats.